Hello friends, today we are discussing about the topic is method of vaccine preparation. First vaccine is live attenuated vaccine. They produce only a mild subclinical infection which can provide strong resistance and protection. It is induced both humoral and cell-mediated immunity, strong immune response, lifelong immunity with few doses. They are less stable, less effective, and may sometimes revert to the virulent form. Example: oral polio vaccine, measles vaccine. The first vaccine used by Jenner of this type, vaccinia virus. Inoculation of human confers immunity to smallpox but does not cause smallpox. BCG was developed by growing M. bovis on medium containing increasing concentration of billi. Oral polio vaccine was developed by Albert Sabin, consisting of three attenuated strain of poliovirus, is administered orally to children. The attenuated virus colonize the intestine and they induce production of secretory IgA, an important defense against naturally acquired poliovirus. The vaccine induces IgG, IgM class of an antibody and ultimately protects immunity to all three strains of virulent poliovirus. Herpes virus vaccine for pig. Thymidine kinase gene removed. The thymidine kinase is required for the virus to grow in certain type of cells. Removal of this gene returned the virus incapable of causing diseases. The live attenuated vaccine against influenza was developed recently under the name Flumist. The second vaccine is inactivated or killed vaccine. The inactivated vaccine produces inactivation of virulent pathogen by heat or chemical treatment. Example: cholera vaccine, hepatitis A, injectable polio vaccine. Inactivated vaccines are commonly used against both bacterial and viral diseases. The Salk polio vaccine is produced by formaldehyde inactivation of poliovirus. They are stable than attenuated vaccine. They will not revert to virulent form. This vaccine produces humoral immunity. They require multiple boosters to activate a protective immune status. Last one is subunit vaccine. They are purified immunogenic fragments which do not have general toxic properties but can serve as vaccine. Three common applications to subunit vaccine are inactivated exotoxin or toxoids, capsular polysaccharide or surface glycoproteins and key recombinant protein antigen. Limitation of subunit vaccine, especially polysaccharide vaccine, is their inability to activate Th cells. Instead, they activate B cells in thymus-independent type 2 manner, result in IgM production but little class switching, no affinity maturation and little development of memory cell. Diphtheria and tetanus vaccine have been made by purifying the bacterial exotoxin and then inactivating it with formaldehyde to form toxoid. Vaccination with toxoid induces antitoxoid antibodies which are capable of binding to the toxin and neutralizing its effect. Virulence of some pathogenic bacteria depends primarily on the antiphagocytic property of their hydrophilic polysaccharide capsule. Streptococcus pneumoniae, consisting of 13 antigenetically distinct capsular polysaccharide. The vaccine is induced formation of opsonizing antibodies and is now on the list of vaccine recommended for all infants. The vaccine for Neisseria meningitis, a common cause of bacterial meningitis, also consisting of purified capsular polysaccharide. Glycoprotein D from HSV2 has been shown to prevent genital herpes in clinical trials of some vaccine. The first recombinant antigen vaccine approved for human use is the hepatitis B vaccine. developed by cloning the gene for the major hepatitis B surface antigen and expressing it in yeast cell. The recombinant hepatitis B vaccine induced the production of protective antibodies. Thank you.